Hello. Yes, we welcome you to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet with me, Richard here. Yes, today we are looking at this question. It says, consider the diagrams below. Okay, these are the diagrams we have here. And they say, write the name and function of each of the apparatus above. Okay, let's start with A. What is A? A is in the shape of a burette. Okay. And what is the function of the burette? The function of the burette is to measure the volume of a titrant. So that is it. Then you come to B. Yeah, B is in the shape of a pipette. Okay. And what's the function of a pipette? A pipette is also used to measure volume, especially volume of analyte. What is C? C is the stand. Okay. And what is the function of the stand? The function of the stand is to support the burette. Yeah. Then you come to D. D is pointing at that part here, which is on the stand. And what is it? That is a burette clamp, or simply clamp. Okay. And what is the function of the clamp? The function of the clamp is to hold the burette. Yeah, then we come to E. Yes, what is E? E is a funnel. Okay. And what is the function of the funnel? A funnel serves to help in the filling of the burette to avoid splashing of the liquid. Then we come to F. Okay. F is in the shape of a beaker. Okay. And what's the function of the beaker? The beaker serves to hold the solution. Then we come to G. What is the function of G? Or first of all, what is it? G is graduated cylinder. Okay, graduated measuring cylinder. And what's the function of the graduated or measuring cylinder? The function is measurement of volume. So that is that. Then we come to H. What is H? H is called Allen-Meyer flask or conical flask. Or Allen-Meyer flask. Okay, what is the function of this conically shaped flask? We use it during titration so that when you swirl the liquid, it doesn't splash out. Yeah, So comes this question. It says, name 4 precautions taken during titration. Any 4 precautions. Okay, during titration, what should be taken as precautions? The first one, you can say wearing lab coats. Okay, that one helps to protect you from the splashes which might come up. Some of them are very corrosive. Okay, 2 is wearing of gloves. Okay, 3 is wearing of protective goggles. The 4th one is following instructions strictly. This one saves you a lot because any mess can be dangerous. Either experiencing burns from either acid or bases or any other accident. And with that, I would like to say thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Celebrate with me, Richard here. We remind you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. And also have to tell you that this channel specializes in physical sciences grade 12, 11, and 10, and natural sciences grade 8 and 9. We advise you to make use of our enriched playlist. Just go to the playlist and select the material which belongs to your level. Grade 8 and 9, look for natural sciences grade 8 or natural sciences grade 9. For grade 11, look for physical sciences grade 11. And for grade 10, look for physical sciences grade 10. As for grade 12, each topic, each chapter is presented independently. So just look for the chapter of your choice, and then you'll have all the material you need. With that, I would like to say thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.